Hi everyone, this is Tim here. I'm part of Team Rosenstau. We're based in Frankfurt, Germany, and we produce neoprene handbags that we sell in our online shop. Social media marketing has been a very important marketing tool for us, and we've been introduced to Patrick Wynn's Ads Accelerator program just recently by friends of ours who run a separate business. So now we have access to this 6 weeks program, and it begins with a step-by-step beginner's guide, a 6-hour program that precedes the actual Ads Accelerator program. And since we had been running ads before, we weren't quite sure whether we should run through this beginner's guide because we had a general understanding of what a campaign was, an ad set was, and how an ad was set up already. But we thought, the hell, now that we've paid for this program and joined it, we might as well start from scratch and see if there are any tips or tricks that perhaps we didn't know about. And this already was a very valuable decision for us. Let me give you an example. In one of the introductory lessons, Patrick Wynn explains in a lesson the Facebook pixel, how it's set up, what it does, how it tracks, and how you can interpret the data that it tracks. We had our Facebook pixel set up already. It was connected to our store and it was running. However, we had recently implemented product variants in our shop, and only through this lesson in the program had we come to realize that the implementation of the variants was causing our Facebook pixel data to track inaccurately. So I don't know how much time would have gone down the drain without us realizing that the data we were collecting and paying for was inaccurate. So that in itself proved to be worth the program already, and we've only just scratched the surface. We haven't even begun the actual Ads Accelerator, the 6 weeks program. We've just run through the beginner's guide, and that was valuable for us already. Also, in the beginning lessons, Patrick gives you some very specific tips and tricks on what settings he would recommend and would not recommend that can make a huge difference to the quality of your campaign. So if you want to get a thorough understanding of everything that's got to do with Facebook and Instagram ads, I think this is the program for you. It certainly is for us. So good luck everyone, and see you out there.